Hello friends and welcome to a new lesson. I'm Nysha and you're watching me on your favorite channel to learn English, Let's Talk. Now today we're going to talk about tautology. Yes, you heard me right, tautology. Are you puzzled? What in the world is tautology? Don't worry, the first time I heard this word, I had the same expression. Its meaning is quite simple really. Tautology in simple words is saying the same thing twice in a sentence, but in two different ways. It is the unnecessary repetition of words. But you may say, who does that? Why would we repeat words in a sentence? Well, for two reasons. Either you are repeating words in a sentence without realizing it, or you are using repeated words to make a point, perhaps. Like, for example, the sentence, it was deja vu all over again. Something that's deja vu means it's an event happening again. So if you've already experienced the exact same situation twice, it would be fine to say it was deja vu. But to say it was deja vu all over again would be a tautology, since what you're literally saying in the situation is that something happened again, if you were to literally translate this sentence. Same with these terms, VIN number, PIN number, and ATM machine. VIN number stands for Vehicle Identity Number. PIN number stands for your personal identification number. And ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine, where we take out cash from. In these terms, the words number and machine respectively are already in the abbreviated words, hence making saying the word number again in VIN and PIN, and machine after ATM, making them tautologies. So what are the other sentences or phrases that are commonly said, which in fact are the unnecessary repetition of words in a sentence? In other words, a tautology. And are there any sentences you say in your daily life which may be tautologies without you realizing it? So come on, let's find out. Have a look at these sentences on your screen. If you say any of these sentences, let me tell you guys that these are all tautologies. So let's go through the list and let me explain to you why along the way with the correct way of saying these words and phrases. The first one we have is please RSVP. So what does RSVP mean? RSVP stands for the French phrase répondez s'il vous plaît, which means reply please, and has been incorporated into the English language and is commonly used. So if you're writing or saying please RSVP, you're in fact saying the word please twice, aren't you? You are saying please respond, which is a clear tautology, since there is no need for two pleases in that phrase. So if please RSVP is not correct, then what should you say or write? You can say kindly RSVP, kindly respond please, or RSVP by and then the date, or even just RSVP on its own is fine. Next we have new innovation. How many times have you heard or read the phrase new innovation? This technology is a new innovation. It's a path-breaking new innovation. If something is an innovation, it means it is new. So there is actually no need to add the word new in front of the word innovation. Just the word innovation suffices. This software we have designed is an innovation, or you could say this software is innovative technology. So henceforth, in writing or in speaking, try not to say new innovation, as this is a repetition of the same meaning, just using two different words. So what do we have next? In my opinion, I think that. Okay, so if something is your opinion, it clearly means it's what you're thinking, right? Not what another person is thinking. So just saying either I think or in my opinion would be correct. It would be a tautology if you are saying both these sets of words together. In my opinion, I think that. So try not to say what you think in this manner. Just saying in my opinion or I think that would be enough and correct. Next we have free gift and added bonus. Who doesn't like receiving free gifts? But I'm sure you must have guessed why both these sets of words are tautologies. A gift is something we don't pay for. It's free, right? So saying it's a gift or we are giving away free gifts is sufficient. The term free gift is just a way of stressing that we are giving something away for free. Hence the term free gift. And same with added bonus. If something is a bonus, it is added or extra. So you're just saying bonus is enough. But where do we usually see these phrases, free gift and added bonus? In advertisements, right? It could be in a newspaper or a website or a company selling something to customers. Here, the point of using a tautology is to stress on the word free. The word free in front of the gift surely catches the attention of the customer, and that's exactly what these companies want. They want the customer to just focus on those words, which is why they use it. So tautologies originally were used only by companies as marketing strategies, and also in music, the point being for those words to stick in a person's mind, hence the repetition. But over time, tautologies have found their way into everyday conversation phrases and even found their way into wedding ceremonies. You don't believe me? Well, have a look at the next phrase. The next tautology is join together. Look at the sentence. Let's all join together and bless the newlyweds. To join is the same as something being together. So there is clear use of a tautology here. Let's get together would be the correct term, don't you think? Let's get together and bless the newlyweds, not let's join together. Next we have plan ahead. Seems like a perfectly normal thing to say, isn't it? We need to plan ahead. Everyone says that, right? Well, let me tell you that this is a tautology because the fact that you're planning is for what's to come or to happen ahead. Surely planning doesn't mean plan in the past, right? So try saying we need to plan and drop the word ahead. Just we should plan or we need to plan. The next word is take turns one after the other. Take turns one after the other. Now what's wrong with this sentence? And how is it a tautology? We take turns to do something, say to express our opinions individually when we are in a group. So obviously we would go one after the other rather than just everybody giving their opinion at the same time, right? So here saying let's take turns or let's go one after the other would be correct. But saying both together in a phrase, let's take turns one after the other, would be a tautology. Next we have revert back. Revert back. I've heard many people say and write I will or we will revert back, meaning we will let you know. Surely you cannot revert forward, right? And the meaning of revert means just that, to let someone know about something. So just saying I will revert or we will revert soon would be correct. Saying I will revert back or we will revert back to you would be incorrect and a tautology. So try not to make this mistake. Next we have pre-planned. How do you think of doing this? Well, it was all pre-planned. The words pre and planned both mean the same thing, something thought of from before. So by saying pre when you're writing, pre-planned, you're actually saying planned twice, if you literally translate it. Get my drift? So just saying or writing something as planned is enough. How did you plan this? We just planned it on the spot. It wasn't pre-planned, it was just planned. Next we have, can you repeat that again? Can you repeat that again? Now, how many times have we said this in our lives, or at least once before? And come on guys, by now you must know why this phrase is a tautology. You do know, right? If you want to repeat something, means you want it to be said or done again. So saying, can you repeat that is adequate. There is no reason for you to write those extra words. There's no reason for you to say, can you repeat that again? Just drop the word again. And that way it won't be a tautology. And lastly, we have very unique. Very unique. So if something is unique, it's different and there is nothing quite like it. So something can only be unique. There is no more uniqueness to unique, is there? Wouldn't you agree, guys? So something cannot be very unique. So just saying something is unique suffices. Look at that painting, it's unique. So there you have it, guys. Today we learnt all about a tautology. I hope by now you must know what a tautology is. Do let me know if you like this lesson, and I hope you all found this lesson informative and useful. If you did, please do write to me in the comment section below. I'm going to be back again very soon with another exciting lesson. Until then, stay tuned. Guys, I keep telling you that you need to keep practicing your English because practice makes perfect. Take care. Bye-bye.